Hi, Tolemy Stevens from Coastal Property Agents, and welcome to my latest listing, Apartment 3 in C. Situated in one of the most exclusive and affluent suburbs on the Gold Coast, Main Beach. You know, a lot of people ask me what an $8 million apartment looks like on the beachfront, so let's go and find out. Welcome to the private foyer of this stunning residence. Follow me. Just take in the sheer size of this amazing floor plan. 373 square meters occupying the entire third floor, 2.9 meter ceilings, 3 bedrooms, plus media, plus study, and absolutely stunning ocean views never to be built out. Have a look at this. C is an ultra exclusive, residential only building for those who demand the very best. Marble kitchen, Gaggenau appliances, herringbone wooden floors. It's just the absolute pinnacle of absolute beachfront living. Look at these stunning ocean views that will never be built out, and for around $8 million, this can be yours.